So in designing this special neck, as you can see, I've joined both panels and I've cut out the neck. I'm going to show you how I cut out this neck design. It's a special kind of V-neck. I'm going to show you. Assuming this is your material, folded into two as usual while cutting. So folded into two. You're going to go ahead and mark out the depth you want. For this, I made use of the depth of 7 inches, a depth of 7 inches. But since this is just to show you what I did, for example, let's make use of 5 inches depth and then a width of 4 inches. That was what I made use of. So you can make your choice while trying to cut out yours. So that's been done. Then you come down to the depth. You come out by 0.5 inches. 0.5 inches. It can be more than this depending on how wide you want it to be. And then you draw a straight line to connect it. Now you're going to go ahead. You're going to connect your width to this point using a straight line, just the same way you would connect if you were trying to cut out the normal V-neck. So you connect it to this 0.5 you came out with, and you're going to go ahead and cut out. So that was how I drafted out the neck design, and I went ahead, turned the material with the linen, but I didn't turn the neck. I turned other parts of the body and joined at the shoulder because of the kind of neck. So this is what you have. And then here is a little bit squared, not sharp like the normal V-neck. And then you have it this way. So this is how I drafted out that V-neck. So I'm going to go ahead now and cover up the neck. So as you can see, this is the neck. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to cover up the neck with a placket. But before I do that, you measure the circumference round the neck, joined already. It will help you know the measurement of the placket to cut out. So you measure it round. So whatever you get, you add 2 inches to it. So here I have 27 inches. I'm going to add 2 inches to it to make it 29. You can even use 30. Can you use a placket measurement longer than what you have as a neck circumference, just to ensure that the material is enough. So this is what I'm going to be using as my placket. So I folded into two. It's 8 inches wide, folded into 4. So I want the placket to be 4 inches wide. So with this, I'm going to sew it round. This is how you are going to attach it. So I'm going to place the placket this way, sew it round. When you get to this point, this square point, you just stop. So I'm going to go ahead and sew round. You see the way I folded it into two, like I already said, the placket. I'm going to sew round to the neck, and then I'm going to stop here. So we are back from the sewing machine. I've sewn it round, and this is all we have. Now to get that special V-neck design down here, I stopped at this juncture, this squared part. So to show you how to what you are going to do, because there's nothing about joining this one. Is just to join it round the neck. So you're going to take this one inside, take it inside, take the remaining one inside. So once you take it inside, it crosses by itself, as you can see. You cross it inside. Once you take it inside that way, it crosses here. That's special neck design. So you're going to sew it up on. So we're back from the sewing machine. This is special placket, v-neck with placket crossed at the end here. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I'll attend to it as soon as possible. Please like, share, comment, and then subscribe if you are yet to. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.